Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Torpedo on the bench here today. Just got done doing a bunch of work, service on this, new feet, and other crazy cool stuff. So I've been noticing on these Torpedos, the shift is kind of heavy. Even though it's a basket shift, it seems a little heavy on how hard it is to push down the button. So I just thought I would investigate, and I did, and I found an adjustment relatively quick on what to do here. Let's put this towel down here instead. And so if we look way down here at the bottom, you'll see this screw and this screw, and if you follow them up, they are part of the shift. So right there is connected to the shift arm. Well, that screw is an adjustment. So it's got a spring here, that's the spring right there. And if you turn this screw, in fact, I think you turn it out, it's going to relieve tension on that spring. If you turn it in, it's going to pull it tighter. So we want to lessen the spring, we want to lose some tension. And I found that you need a screwdriver and a spring hook. So what there is in here is a little tab. I'll probably use my finger instead of the spring hook, but right there, there's a little arm sticking out right there. Right there. You have to hold that. You have to kind of release the tension on that while you turn the screw, because that kind of relieves the tension on the spring clamp on the. So let's see, I forget. Okay, we're going to go out to loosen it. So that's one turn, two turns. Let's do 3 turns. And then there's one on the other side. There's a balancing act here. There's the other one right over there. Again, there's the shift. And then there's that little tab. That little arm is in here somewhere. Gotta kind of find that arm here. There it is right there. Okay, so this one, I gotta get access to the other direction, it looks like. Well, let's see what happens here. So I can't reach it, so maybe to turn around when I turn the screw here. So we're gonna go this way. So there's that little tab right there. I'm gonna just hold my finger on it. 1, 2, and 3 turns. So let's see how that feels up here in real life. So let's bring this back. Oops. Oh, my camera just flew off its mounts. Okay. Definitely better. We definitely don't want it too light that, it doesn't spring back up here all the way. That's coming right back up. I think it's not bringing it back up all the way. See that right there? Okay, so I went too far. 3 on each side is too much to loosen this, so let's tighten it back up. And we tighten it up. We are just going to turn the screw. I turned it 1.5 times there. This should tighten up by 1.5. Kind of springs back. Yeah, you only got to reach those tabs in there when you turn the screws out. Otherwise, they screw back in just fine. Okay, so that comes back up now. Okay, so about 1.5 turns is what we need to get that to bounce back up all the way. Kind of a sensitive adjustment, but that did help a little bit on how heavy the shift is. So that's my video of the day here on a Torpedo from Germany. That's right there, made in West Germany. All right, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.